I finally convinced her to let me go.
I don't know, Susan. Is it really safe for him to go outside? I mean, for a whole week at a camp with supervisors? One of the supervisors had helmet hair.
Well, of course it's safe. Helmet hair is like so stylish these days. You'll have a jolly good time at camp.
Bye. Hi, Doctor. It's okay.
Hi, Doris. Could you make it quick? I have an important meeting in a few minutes with my brother, Dr. Amike.
Do you think I made the right choice about letting him go to camp? Because what if he has one of those really bad nightmares again, and he forgets to bring Mr. Snuggles, and he gets really scared, and he can't sleep? What?
It's all okay, and remember, I'm coming to your house tomorrow.
Okay, bye. A little bit later. Sorry, son!
I'll miss you.
One day later! Susan, did I get any mail? Yeah, here you go. Oh, it's from camp. Your son is dead. What? No! No!
Honey, what's wrong?
Dusty is dead! It's okay. I ate pizza today.
What's wrong?
Our son is dead!
Oh, Doris, Ronald, I'm so sorry. How did this happen?
We don't know! He just died at camp.
If you need therapy, I know a good therapist. Me. Here's my card.
I'll think about it.
Bye.
This is all Susan's fault. She said my son would have a jolly good time at camp, but he didn't. He died. Liar. Cheat. Murderer. I'll have to seek revenge. Ronald McDonald, come here this moment.
Coming.
Susan has two daughters, Princess and Petunia, right? I have an errand for you.
I got them. I love the color of your house. And those kittens or balls are like so adorbs. Oh God, pink balls are so 3 months ago. I'm sorry you couldn't go. You'll have to stay here.
Because you've been kidnapped.
Dun, dun, dun!
Do you guys have like cell phone service here or what?
Yeah, we have cell phone service.
Whoops. Hashtag I deserve this.
Shut up. My son just died. I need some peace and quiet. Ronald locked him up in that other
Come
room.
on, girls. Come in here. You will have a nice time. Ow! Ow! So now what?
I don't know. We'll feed them sometime.
Alright.
Oh, my mom knows. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring. Oh, hello? Hello? What have you done to my daughters? We kidnapped them because Dusty is dead and it's all your fault.
Oh, Doris, I'm so sorry. But that's not my fault.
You told me he'd have a jolly good time at camp, but he didn't. He was killed, and now I'm afraid to go outside.
No offense, Doris, but you've always been afraid to go outside. Say it with me. Agoraphobia!
I don't have a hobby of collecting voodoo dolls and putting blankets on them.
Doris, I'm in the window. I can see you. Anyways, agoraphobia means you're afraid of going outside. You should know that.
Okay. But I'm still mad at you. You want some soup? Sure. I'm still mad at you. Scram, Susan. I'm gonna go check on kids. Hey, you guys want some soup?
Yeah!
Too bad you're not getting any.
You're such an evil mother.
I'm not your mother.
Whatever.
agoraphobia.
Doctor, it's okay.
What?
No, doctor, it's okay.
What?
No, doctor, it is okay.
Just try it. Gaze into my magical floating orb. Ooh, is that soup I see? It'll also